How do you transfer iPhone contacts to Google Drive? Let's explain that. If you're new on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Right, so I want you to at first download an application from the App Store, which is called Export Contacts. Right, so this is what it kind of looks like. You have to open it up like this, and you can use this app to export your contacts. Right, at first you get to pick the format. Right, so the V card is the default format. It's the file type which you can use to import contacts into different applications and just start using them right away. Or you can also just export it in a CSV or Excel, which is like a spreadsheet. In either case, you decide which format you want to use. You're going to perform the export like that. Through the app, you might get an ad or whatever. But, after you're done, the export will be ready. And after the export is done, you get to share the file somewhere, right? So it just gives you the pop-up like this. And you can use AirDrop or any other service. And one of them, of course, is going to be the Google Drive. So if you have the Drive app installed, you'll be able to find it in here as well, which basically means that you can upload it directly to the Google Drive and have your contacts saved and stored in the Drive in the selected format, right? So it might be in the V card or in the CSV spreadsheet. So let me know if it worked out for you. Let me know what you think about that below as well. Most definitely subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you later in the upcoming videos too. So stay tuned and I'll see you later.